Hello there. Welcome to Star Wars Things. Welcome back if you're a regular. If you are not, I would love it if you were. We'd love a smash of that subscribe button and the like button. And hope you stick around. First off, to people who do watch occasionally, want to apologize that I've been slacking. I just realized I have not posted a long form unboxing video of any sort in like 3 months. A lot of stuff's going on in life. Got a few things, couple things, actually 2 things. Brewing, baking in the oven, if you will. So we'll get to that later. Yeah, we'll discuss that, when that happens. But because of that, things have been busy. And boxes have literally just been piling up. So I've got a few minutes of really not doing anything, and it's raining out, so I don't expect to have customers or anything at the moment. So let's actually dive into something that's been sitting in a room for a while now. Oh yeah, something I'm pretty darn excited for. Let's get into this. Woohoo, there we are. All right, so we have a Shoretrooper helmet from Andor. Alrighty. This is one that I've always thought was a really cool design. Always kind of looking forward to them making at some point, and finally they did. Alright, let's check out that box art. Alright. You know what, let's put the sharp stabby thing away. Yeah, just throwing some boxes around, no big deal. Alright, let's get a kind of a wide shot first. First impressions, really dig it. All right, let's get a look at the deco. Some nice weathering on there. Nice details there. A little piece there is pretty cool. Profile shot there. Nice, I dig that. And it's gonna look good at home. Whenever I get around to actually being able to do some work on the Star Wars room. Like I said, I literally have things just in piles because of everything that's been going on the last couple months. But hopefully things will slow down and I can get back to some content fairly regularly. Cool, dig it. All right, so there we are. We have a little look at the Shoretrooper helmet from Andor, which by the way was ridiculously good. That second season was crazy good. Good stuff. Would love to have more, maybe in, books, comics, things like that. Some follow-ups would be cool. I mean, follow-up is Rogue One, whatever, but you know what I mean. All right. So there we are. Thanks for watching, and may the Force be with you always.